In front of me is OUKITEL OKT1, and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder on this tablet. You need to start by locating sound recorder and clicking on it. Now select while using the app and allow in all pop-ups and click on this red button to start your recording. You can pause it and unpause it using the same button. If you wish to add a bookmark, click on the left one, and if you wish to end it and save it, click on the right one. Now tap on the right button again to access the list of your recordings. If you wish to play one of them, just click on it. Then press play. If you wish to rename it, go back, hold it, select those three dots at the top right corner, tap on the rename option, and name your recording however you wish to. Then choose save. Now, in order to delete it, you need to hold it again, choose this bin icon at the top right corner, select allow in the pop-up, and now it's gone. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!